Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are going to present our discussion about control of citrus acid and sugar in pineapple preservation. In group 2, there are Georgi Corleone, Anissa Khairia, Cynthia Riyama, Della Radika, and Nurul Hasan. So the outline we are going to discuss about pineapple fruit contents, citric acid and sugar, packaging, modified atmosphere packaging, and process. Pineapple fruit content. Pineapple has a high nutritional value, it's rich in vitamin A, B, C minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and iron, and contains potentially as potent compounds as antioxidant, polyphenol, and flavonoids. Pineapple fruit also contains the enzyme bromelain and fiber, which is good for health. In addition, pineapple also contains chlorine, iodine, and phenol, which function as an antiseptic, where chlorine will react with water to form hypochlorite, which is bactericidal. Iodine is the strongest bactericidal substance in killing almost all pathogenic bacteria by clumping proteins, and phenols that will denature bacterial cell proteins so that bacteria will die.
Citric acid and sugar. Citric acid is a weak organic acid that is naturally found in fruits such as oranges, pineapples, lemon, and pears. The main use of citric acid is as a flavor-giving agent as well as a preservative for food and beverages. In addition, citric acid can also be used to regulate pH. Citric acid is used to provide a sour taste as well as a taste balancer between the sweetness of the addition of sugar and the sour taste to be produced so as to produce a balanced composition of flavor fusion. In food technology, sugar acts as a sweetener, preservative, fermentation substrate, as well as in modifying its ability to remain in solution. Sugar can also be used as another
So the technology we are gonna use for our product to extend its shelf life is the monomaterial trays. With the use of antibacterial monomaterial trays, we can extend the shelf life and sustainability of our product. This technology has been proven for increasing food shelf life from 7 to 12 days. This packaging or this tray can be able to apply with MAP or modified atmosphere packaging systems with antibacterial addition as a feature.
And then we use modified atmosphere packaging. MAP is a packaging system that involves changing the atmosphere of gas around food product inside the packaging, and use packaging materials and format with appropriate gas barrier level to maintain the atmosphere change at acceptable level for food preservation. This comprise 100% gas, slow down the oxidation process. Another modification is to use a mixture of 20 carbon dioxide and 80% nitrogen gas. Carbon dioxide will lower the pH of the product so that it can prevent bacterial growth, as most bacteria are resistant to acid or low pH.
There are 8 steps of pineapple preservation with the adding of citric acid and sugar liquid in MAP. The first step is cleaning and washing. First, the pineapple should be cleaned thoroughly to remove any adhering dirt or pesticide residues. This cleaning process usually involves washing the fruits with running water. The second step is sorting. To achieve analysis of pineapple juice, the pineapple should be cleaned and sorted into categories to be classified according to their advantageous. The first step is cutting. Cutting is important in order to get uniform pieces for packing. The pineapple cut into thin slices. The cutting utensil have to be sharp and clean to prevent microorganisms from entering the food. The fifth step is blanching. Blanching is a slight heat treatment using hot water or steam that is applied to the pineapple before canning. It is done by immersing fruits in water at a temperature of 19 till 19.5 Celsius degree. The result is that fruits become soft and the enzymes are inactivated. Blanching is done before a product is dried in order to prevent unwanted color and odor change and an excessive loss of vitamins. The sixth step is package the pineapples with modified atmosphere packaging. The seventh step is add the citric acid and sugar liquid. And the eighth step is close the seal and the packaging. That's it for our presentation and thank you for your attention.